Welcome back. It's time for our daily dose of presents. Let's have a look what's behind the door of the Lego Friends Advent Calendar. Door number 18, day number 18. Here we go. Oh, it's some more little kitchen stuff. Because yesterday we had the little mixer. So they're making Christmas cookies. Lots and lots of cookies. So many cookies. You can never have enough cookies. Okay, so we have got, it's the same kind of style as the other table. Actually, as all the little tables as we have had in here. So we got the light brown for the top, dark brown for the legs. And then we get straight into getting all of the good stuff on. So we've got the milk, carton of milk. And this goes over here, and then it's not, so they've made the Christmas cookies to leave them out for Santa, or just to have, or maybe it's like a munchies table while they're around singing Christmas carols. I mean, there are so many good uses for cookies, am I right? I think it's very important to have cookies at all times, not just Christmas. So let's put it over here for the moment, and then we can move it into the lounge area later on when they're doing some of their Christmas prepping and getting ready for the big day. We're getting closer. Every day is one day closer. Okay, all right, let's have a look now at the Disney Princess Calendar 18. Here we go, we're right near the top. Crack it open, and we have got a tiny madrigal house, but we don't even have Mirabelle yet. Oh, this is really cute. Actually, all of these little houses, palaces, castles have got a big arch in the middle, so they all follow that same kind of design, but they're still really recognizable as the actual building that they're supposed to be. So we're getting distracted by the building. So we got some flowers on the front, we got the big yellow arch, and nice madrigal house colors on the side. These bits are for the shutters. This side over here is where all the flowers cascade down the side. And then the, lime green tower near the top, and some more of the shuttery roof kind of line up here, and then up to a peaky point. That's really nice. So few bricks, and yet such a recognizable build. I'm starting to get very fond of micro builds. They're so fun. All right, I will see you back here tomorrow. I'm guessing, are we going to see Mirabelle tomorrow? Surely. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.